Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the brick rod in the Orca update. First, navigate to the designated Orca update zone within the game world. Once there, you'll need to find a hidden entrance that leads to a special challenge area. This area contains several unique puzzles and obstacles you must overcome to proceed. Successfully completing these tasks will bring you closer to obtaining the coveted brick rod. Let's dive into the details. Once inside the challenge zone, your first step is to solve a series of environmental puzzles. These often involve manipulating objects or activating switches in a specific sequence. Next, prepare for 2 mini-boss encounters. Each requires a different strategy to defeat. After overcoming these foes, you must locate and collect 3 distinct key items scattered throughout the area. These items are crucial for unlocking the next stage of your quest. With all 3 key items in hand, proceed to the central altar located deeper within the challenge zone. Place each item into its corresponding slot on the altar to activate an ancient mechanism. This mechanism will reveal a hidden chamber. Inside this chamber, you will find the brick rod resting on a pedestal. Simply interact with the pedestal to claim your new, powerful tool. Congratulations, you've earned it. The brick rod isn't just a trophy. It offers significant advantages, including a 25% increase in durability compared to standard rods. It also possesses a unique ability to break certain types of blocks that are otherwise indestructible, opening up new areas. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.